lightning and thunder. Lightning is like a giant spark that happens inside big storm clouds. When the clouds build up lots of static electricity. When lightning flashes, it hits the air very quickly, causing it to expand and make a loud sound called thunder. Let's break down this concept in bit more detail for kids. Imagine inside a storm cloud tiny bits of ice and water are tossed around by strong winds. These bits bump and rub against each other, which separates their electric charges. The top of the cloud gets lots of positive charges and the bottom gets lots of negative charges. The ground below the cloud gathers positive charges, especially on tall things like trees and poles. When the negative and positive charges become strong enough, they jump between the cloud and the ground or between different parts of the cloud. This jump is a huge spark called lightning. Lightning is extremely fast and super hot. It heats the air around it much hotter than the surface of the sun. When the air heats up so quickly, it expands and makes a shock wave that our ears hear as thunder. That's why we see lightning first, then hear thunder later. Light travels faster than sound. Fun fact about lightning and thunder. Lightning helps nature by making nitrogen available in the soil, helping plants grow. Lightning is a giant spark of electricity in the sky that is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. It can light a 100-watt bulb for 3 whole months with the energy from just one flash. Thunder is the loud sound caused by the lightning heating and quickly expanding the air around it. Also, you can tell how far away a storm is by counting the seconds between the lightning flash and thunder clap. Every 5 seconds means the storm is about 1 mile away. Here is a simple and safe experiment for kids to understand lightning using static electricity. Lightning in a bottle experiment. What you need is a plastic or glass bottle, a balloon, a metal spoon or a metal lid, a dark room. First, blow up the balloon and tie it. Turn off the lights to make the room dark. Rub the balloon quickly on your hair or fuzzy sweater for 20 to 30 seconds to build up static electricity. Hold the balloon near the metal spoon or lid attached to the bottle's mouth. In the dark, look closely to see tiny sparks jump from the balloon to the metal. This small spark is like tiny lightning. Listen carefully. You might even hear a soft pop or zap sound. What's happening? Rubbing the balloon creates static electricity just like how storm clouds build up charges. The spark jumping to the metal is a tiny lightning bolt showing how electricity can jump from one place to another. The faint sound is like the thunder made when lightning hits the air and makes it expand. This experiment helps kids understand how charges build up, move, and eventually create a spark, just like real lightning and thunder in a storm, but on a much smaller and safer scale.